Let's learn about water use. Large amounts of water are required in pulp and paper mills. Water is used to carry fibers, to carry chemicals, to cool process equipment, to clean, and to help develop the chemical bonds between wood fibers that give paper its strength. While there is a significant amount of water used by pulp and paper mills, only roughly 10% of that water is consumed, meaning that it is converted into steam or it leaves the mill with the pulp and paper product or process residuals. Approximately 90% of the water drawn into the mill is ultimately returned to the environment. Let's talk about water use co-benefits and trade-offs in relation to energy. In general, paper mills that have higher specific water consumption will have higher energy consumption due to the heating of pulp stock and whitewater. When water is reduced by using warm wastewater to replace hot fresh water, significant energy savings can result. Now let's talk about water use co-benefits and trade-offs in relation to chlorinated compounds. Increased water reuse, especially around the paper machine, can increase the need for biocides, which may contain chlorinated chemicals. Pulp is washed between bleaching stages to remove soluble organic and inorganic materials from the pulp mat. When wash water is reduced, more dissolved material is retained with the pulp and can therefore consume costly bleaching chemicals in subsequent bleaching stages. Let's talk about water use co-benefits and trade-offs in relation to air emissions. On the beneficial side, reducing water use can sometimes reduce energy requirements, resulting in reductions of combustion-related emissions to air. However, on the detrimental side, water reuse can increase the concentration of some chemicals in mill water systems to levels that can cause the emissions of these substances to significantly increase. Let's talk about water use co-benefits and trade-offs in relation to releases of substances to water. When water is reduced by using water reuse programs that include practices like spill control, which reduce effluent flow, the discharges of substances such as biochemical oxygen demand, or BOD, and total suspended solids, or TSS, are also reduced. How is the pulp and paper industry performing when it comes to water conservation? A 69% reduction in water effluent flow, which is directly related to a similar reduction in water use, has been achieved since 1959. As the industry has improved water conservation, additional improvements have become more difficult to accomplish. That said, the industry continues to reduce its use of fresh water and to arrive at creative solutions for minimizing water consumption. To learn more about water use, click on the links on this website.